Happy morning, students. So let us go with the format of story writing. Let us see what we have to do here. Now suppose this is your page, okay, this is your answer sheet. So here it will be a margin, okay, or you give a margin. Now we are talking about story writing here, okay. You are writing about the story writing. So let us see what you are going to do. Now you get the answer sheet like this. You are going to draw a margin here now. So you will be drawing a margin here, okay, and from here you are going to start writing. Now at first what you are going to do is correct in the middle of the page here, okay, here in the middle of the page you are going to write a title. So here you are going to write a title. Say for example, uh, what can we say, like yesterday's story, rabbit and a tortoise, okay. So in between you're going to write this. Then you will have a introduction first. So when you start a passage, you're going to, in first passage you're going to write introduction. Then you'll start a passage, you'll write here, okay, you will write, then your first passage is done. Then next, in the second passage what you're going to write is beginning of the story. So you're going to write here is beginning of the story. So second passage will be having a beginning of the story. So how the story starts, what you are going to write will be here. Then you are going to write middle events. Now here in middle events you are going to write all the incidents that happen, okay. I'll tell you further what you're going to do. So you're going to write in middle passage, third passage you're going to write middle events. Then you will be writing end of story in the fourth passage, okay. Say you started writing, you completed the passage here, and after end of the story will be the conclusion, okay. Then again you will be having a passage and there you are going to write a conclusion, and after that you can write moral of the story, okay, which will be here. You got the format, everyone. This will be your format. Title exactly in the middle of the paper, okay. Then you're going to start with the introduction. Say introduction, let us talk about rabbit and tortoise only. Once in a jungle there was a rabbit and a tortoise, okay. So suppose this is how you are going to write a introduction. Then you will say that they were just roaming here and there, and then they came across to each other and started fighting over something, okay. Then it will be your introduction part. Then how the story began, beginning of the story, they started fighting and then they decided to have a small race. They made rules and regulations and they decided to have a race, and all the animals from jungle gathered around to watch this match, and all were cheering one or the other, okay. You can write like that. Then middle events you can write that the race was started and both also started running. Tortoise was running very slowly, the rabbit started in a swift run. Then he waited, he had a little nap as tortoise was very slowly, but he slept for a long time, okay. Then in the end of the story what happened in the end, you can say as the tortoise got up, and started running, he saw that the tortoise has already won the match, and he was given a medal or so. And in the conclusion, you can say that in the end, you can say what the consistency and being persistent is the key of success. Then you have to give a moral. Slow but steady wins the race, or any other moral. So this is how you are going to write. Okay, and how your marks are distributed is, suppose any story writing is for 5 marks. So under that 5 marks, first is 3 marks are for the content, and under content is your creativity plus your ideas are watched. Then 1 mark is for your fluency. Now what is fluency? Your grammar which is watched here. Okay, your grammar is watched here. Then other 1 mark is your accuracy. Now what accuracy? The flow of your story. How you are writing, is it broken, or you are written the story very arranged fully, managed very properly, arranged it very properly, then you will get the accuracy 1 mark. Okay, so this is how you get 5 marks. And a story should always have a theme. Okay, now what is theme, children? Theme matlab say horror or fantasy, romantic, or adventure. Okay, it can be anything. Then accordingly you have to start a story. If you decide a theme, then you have to look over a plot. Now what is plot? That if you are saying about a rabbit and tortoise, so what will be their hardships, or say struggles, what they both go through. Okay, that will be your plot. Then what will be your structure of the story? Now what is structure, children? That it should be written in first person or third person. Okay, the first person means what? Your story will be, I went there, I was playing in the garden, then I fall down, I got hurt. So this is your first person talking. Third person means what? You are the third person, you are talking about someone else. Like the rabbit and tortoise story is third person talking. Okay, so that is how structure will be. And next you have is character. You have to decide what characters you are going to include in the story. Now here what characters we are having, children? Here we are having rabbit and a tortoise, and we are talking about their character building. Matlab how the rabbit is and how the tortoise is, and how they are trying to grow in that or build it themselves. Okay, then we are going to talk about setting, where this story has taken place. मतलब यहाँ क्या आएगा? जगह का नाम, place name. Okay, done. And after that you have style and tone. Style and tone में होता क्या है? If you are going to write in a dialogues, if you are going to add dialogues और जैसा मोनोटोन, मतलब थर्ड पर्सन के जैसे ही आप बोलने वाले हो या बीच बीच में डायलॉग डालने वाले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देन द रैबिट सेड, आई एम गोइंग टू विन दिस मैच व्हाटसोएवर हैपेंस. मतलब क्या, ये रैबिट बोल रहा है, तो आपने क्या किया, रैबिट को डायलॉग दे दिया. ओके, so these all things are very important while writing story writing, and this is the same thing you are going to need in further standards also. When you go in other standards, further standards, you have to keep this in mind. So sorry, this is what story writing should look like. Thank you.